You make me wanna rearrange the alphabet so I could put you next to letter I. Take my heart, baby, carry go. If you leave me, maybe I will die. Listen, this is the kitty. Walk around for the clean on your listen, much less my sorry. I spend a lot of time in the chilly. Hey, baby, brownie, golden tree chocolate, yeah. We dropped all the air. Each and every day, we my own.
Fake mod. This one from Spanish people. What? No. On them, George Tete, on them, man. Mas Montego, what's up? This one is Spanish mod. Bizzle, Cold Grain. Big ups to the Cold Grain fam, big ups to Bizzle. Bizzle, your link know the work, oh. I try to download your song, you know the work, Bizzle. Your hit song featuring Rude Boy. The Royce, what's up? DJ Nakpo. Charlie Masen Bolala, I hit here, Kabajipo. Jaru Abdullah, Jaron, what's up? Me, I hit on them. Fake mods by the Spanish people. My own Chala de Siko. My own are the 6 more. But I go talk themselves. Yo, Piccolo Santo, what's up? The nation we bad. Nobody better than we. We come live, them a hard they could. This one no be fight oh. It be showbiz, it be entertainment, it be free your mind. You get something talk, you go fit talk. Bob Africa, 2K18. We dey tell everybody what I mind. We no dey fear anything. I go put my YouTube channel for them, my new YouTube channel. Make you subscribe am. Moku go, we dey go viral, we no get. Darling Zubi, JJ man. Yo, Shasha said, what's up? Yo, okay, my people. I dey beg. This one no be fight. This one no be anything. It be sense we they can't talk, share ideas. You understand me? Yeah. Good morning to everybody. Each and every one of you, anywhere where you dey where they support the Darlington Nation and the Darlington movement. You understand me? I know say you see the caption message to Samini. You people ball. For the past 3 days, if I would say last week inside, we see the CAF award where it go on for Ghana, then the Tobe, then the things where it went on, then the people where they feel perform, people where they don't feel perform, Whiskey come Ghana, you know, then bring more Nigerians for now. For Ghana, where they can perform, then take big money, where the big celebrities, where they Ghana, the musicians, they don't give them the platform to perform, to take money. It be painful to host a program in your country when the host nation know they play some. You know, say be painful. You understand me? We all know they like that. If they host African Cup for Ghana, we won't make Ghana do the tournament inside. They don't go host something big for Ghana, where they go bring all people. When our people from different country come play the show, then we the Ghanaian artists where we dey support them, don't know the show talk. Fine. The thing, he reach where go reach, people where them board. Me like this, I board where I talk about them. You understand me? So that's what today inside. Where we see Samini, he tweet or whatever he do for Twitter and everything, say they can't campaign. You understand me? They sure say the campaign they can't do, make it reach to the lawmakers, make the lawmakers make them pass law. They want 70% of Ghana music to play on the air, whether they want 50-50 share for any program where they go host for Ghana. Yes. Samini, the thing where you talk, it be good idea, it be true. The campaign where they can do, we say we dey support the campaign. Nusu on them, we dey support the campaign. Make them give the Ghanaian airway, make them play the Ghana people them are music 70%. Then the rest of the 30% they go fit play any country, if it be America, if it be Nigeria, if it be anything. That one we dey support them. It's a good idea. Where any show where they go bring for Ghana, you dey want 50-50. Yes. For Ghana, any show they go do for Ghana, you dey want 50-50. That be good idea. But I want to ask you, say, Samini, why now? Why now you want to do that campaign? That be what me, I want to know. Why now? Now where you want to do that campaign? That be me my problem. Oh. For that so many years where you dey reign, high grade family, they start pay. Your song they go viral. You did Samini. Why you not do that campaign? Now, where your name fades small for the industry. Now where you want to do that campaign. The time you come up plus Linda, you come up plus Jashid and things. That time, you dey rain. MTN people sign you then things, you dey collect that big money. That time they play Nigeria people them a song. For there. You see, that time where you dey rain, you Samini, you dey rain. That time they play Nigeria people them a song. You don't care to fight for that one. Why? Because they play your music. Why? Because the air, no, the Nigeria Ghana radio station they kiss your ass. You understand me? That time you know they care. That time you know they care. Oh, that time you Samini, you be Samini. That time you know they care. You know they fight give nobody. Be only you. You they fight for yourself. That time where they rain, you know. That time they play the Nigeria people them a song. But that time you know fight give nobody. Why? Because they play you your song. So you don't give two fuck. That time you know they give two fucks. So why? You be Samini. You release Bola self. Radio go play. You know they give two fuck. You know they care. That time where they rain, you know where you fight give them. You fight give the Ghanaian artist way. Now where your name no dead the scene inside. You fade, you know. Now where you want fight, you know. That time where you fight, like now where you fade, they go play your song for that 70% inside where now they can't fight. Samini, make I tell you something. You be general where we they support you. But the fight where they can't fight, if they want truth, me I go tell you the truth. If you want listen to the truth, you see the things where you write, it be a good idea. Oh. But if you want fight, go fight Obuo. That be the first fight you go fight. Put the radio station and the things where you did. Master, I know they make sense. Go fight Obuo. Make them come out Obuo for the chair toss. So Obuo is the one behind all this bullshit. Samini, I go tell you. If you want the truth, make I tell you something. Way back we hear your matter, you dey sabotage artists. You know they want make artists day on show them things, perform them things. Movado shows, I want them, everybody come out, you dey sabotage them. You understand me? Recently, the interview some artist said Jeffrey King. He say you make them come out and for song inside. Master, make I tell you something. If you want fight, go do campaign. Make them come out Obuo. If you say you be real leader, you want build foundation, give the this thing, the people that come, the thing you write, you know, it be sensible, but it not be good fight. Go fight against Obuo. Obuo will support the Ghana music industry. If it be true, go fight Obuo. Obuo be the person where you must for go fight them. Go. Who will say it was a fake news? Go fight Obuo. Obuo be the person you must for go fight. Make them come out Obuo for the chair top. Obuo, he be the one where you must for go fight. Go do campaign against. If you people get platform, go do campaign against Obuo. Or boy, they support the Ghana music industry inside. You people get a platform. Now you they sit down, you know they unite. You they fight each other. You understand me? You they fight each other. You know they do something. So come forward now you get the airwave. They play your song. So you know they care about the generation to come. You know they care about the generation to come. The time where you can't fade, nobody they buy you a game. That's why I say you won't fight give Ghana music industry. No. This be the time. If you know so you get a platform, you they reign. Samini, we there here last year, where Foresight TV, this stupid Foresight TV, then wake up say that they can't do Ghana Music Awards in America here. You, Samini, then choose you as the MC. You be the MC for the show. For here, Ghana Music Awards in America. Then choose you, Samini, as the MC for the show. Where you know, if you really say they love Ghana music, you want to make Ghana music move forward. See the categories they can put for here. All the American artists where they here, they got only one category. All the category belongs to the artists where they Ghana. All the artists where they America here, they give them only one category. But the categories all belongs to Ghanaian artists. Why? Because you people the Obo make Kululu then Foresight. You won't bring people from Ghana come America, say passengers. You won't bring passengers from Ghana, take come America, all in the name of this show. Where I can't do live video. Ashim Boogie down, he be my brother. He be the owner, he they take in charge of the show. Where I can't do show, I can't do video, I fire you people. Samini, you was the MC. If you want Ghana music to move forward, you go tell the people the truth. But you people know they care. You there. You collect the MC, you can't do the MC. Where the show flop. We do video blast the show. Where the show flop. But this year, they go do the show again. If Allah permit, where we don't die, where we still there alive, we all go support the show. So come make sure say everything go je for there. You Samini, you be general for the music industry side. They get some kululu that they do. If they bring their thing to you, for tell them say massa, me I don't want to make Ghana music move forward, so I don't go do this kululu. But you there here, you can't turn MC for New York here. How much they go give you? You see say kululu there inside, but you can't do MC for Ghana Music Award. Who be Foresight? Foresight people, you there Ghana. You know what they go on for America here? You know American artists? Where they can't do Ghana Music Awards for America here, go give American artists one category. Then all the categories belongs to Ghanaian artists. We don't anybody America here. We there America here, we know artists, then they Texas, then they Tennessee, then they Chicago, then they New York, then they Philly, then they Worcester, Cole Grand family and things. You know artists where they America here. But you people there Ghana. You want to do visa lottery or visa connection, passengers. They go create Ghana Music Awards for a year. They go give the artists where they here one category. Hey, you put a craze. You people you the craze. You see now you get a platform. You don't do anything. Obo, your stomach big like this thing, flower pot. You Obo, you there. Your wife there Maryland. Where they take Ghanaian people them money. Ghana Music Awards there. The Ghanaian artists them money. They buy Bitcoin. They give your people. They do Sakawa. Give your wife for Maryland. We know. We know. Obo, what they go on the only thing that we know. Your wife where she there Maryland where they tell people the Ghana artists them money. They buy Bitcoin. They tell they do Sakawa. Give your wife for Maryland. Hey, if people get fight, make you forget about the calf. Then the Whiskey can play 4 minutes for stage. $130,000 US. Why? Why? $130,000 US for Ghana. You can't collect the money. Take go free. Take go free. $130,000 US. You take go free. Where you there? You know they do anything. Your soul said they don't play. That boy kiddie way can't play the show. How much help they give him? That boy kiddie. How much they give him? The money they will give kiddie no go reach $10,000 US safe. If I don't lie you, if you can't sing the national anthem, go check how much they give him. Only God know. You know they unite against yourself. You people, you know they unite, get yourself. I see something. So I mean, if you be true, say you tweet that tweet, they can't do campaign. You want 70% of Ghana music, this thing. You want 50. Master, go do campaign, make them sack Obuo. Obuo must go. Obuo, Aruna Ambanaganka, Obuo must go. Obuo is a fucking guy. Be Obuo where they mess up the Ghana music industry. Obuo, he is the reason why Ghana music industry know they move forward. I tell you something. Go do research, Go do inquiries. All these radio stations, these TV stations they see. 60% belong to Nigerians. I'm not gonna lie you. If you they doubt me, go do unu then see. Go do unu, go do underground work. These radio stations, then these TV stations, 60% belongs to Nigerians. Why? Nigerians are our brothers. You don't understand me? But you have to do what you know say and do give you go job. They're not gonna play Ghana music. They're not promote Ghana music for there. You understand me? Don't they play Ghana music for Nigeria? How many you see? How many shows you see they organize for Nigeria? Where they can they take Ghana artists go? Bolare, you be the man where your head big. You get Nyansa. Then Ghana meet Niger. Ghana meet on your saw me. They go logo this Nigerian artists. You see that ask yourself, say, when Nigerian people organize big show for Nigeria, where they can't take Ghanaian artists like Stonebwoy, Samini, Shatawale, then rest, Rude Boy ranking them, say, make them go Nigeria, go perform. You never see that. You never see that. Nigerian artists, they launch in album for Nigeria. You don't go invite no Ghana artists. Nigerian artists, they launch a song for Nigeria. You don't go invite no Ghana artists. It be all Nigerian people go come play. But Ghanaian artists, they launch a song. You go invite Nigerian artists from all the way from Nigeria. Say make you come the show song. Why? Why? I ask you why. Nigerian artists, if they launch a song, you know what you say, he invite any Ghana artist or something can perform. You don't go see. But if Ghana artists, they launch a song, you go invite Nigerian artists. You go invite this. That's not bad, though. But make I tell, if we go do them so, if them too, they love you as my brothers, if they do something for Nigeria, make them invite we the Ghanaian artists some, make them go perform for them. But you people there. Anything now you people see the kiddie, then the Eugene boys saw that they can't do some. Everybody wants sound like Nigeria. See the boys. Me I no get 30 billion. Everybody wants sound like Nigerian. See, Ghana we get on our own PG with they speak. Where the Nigerian people then get them our own PG then to they speak. But now, go listen to now the Ghanaian song, the artist. Everybody wants sound like Nigeria. Everybody. You live your Azonto. You live your high life. You live your hip life. You say they do dancehall. You say they do dancehall. You they lie to yourself. Azonto it gives Sarkodie the most of you people platform. Azonto it gives most of you people platform. Now you people ignore Azonto. Or in the name say you want to do dancehall. Or in the name say you want to do something. Now you want to sound like Nigeria. You want to sing like Nigeria. You sit down listening to the Nigerian song. Then take your content, then mix them. Then take your high life, your Azonto, where they mix them in a way. Now that they say Afro pop. When be Afro pop? When be Afro pop? You can't they talk, mina unu gangster, unu this. You say they do dancehall. My paddy, you got a long way to go. You get a long way to go. Nobody go knock your ass low. We go see. You say you want to speak patois like the Jamaicans. Even the Jamaicans now self. The Jamaicans, when they do the patois self, now they say they want to speak good English. Go see. Now the Jamaican self, they want to speak, they want to sing, then do some for good English inside. Go see. You people there. You say you dog hip life, you dog high life, you dog Azonto, you want to do dancehall. Do one. Do one. You go do one. Where you go remain Ghana there. We be there here. We go take dance. Where we go the club for here. They go to play Whiskey. They go to play Davido. They go to play Kiss Daniel. They go to play who and who. Then you your song, you know. If you only Ghana, you go play. We tell say you be local champion. You go say we know they like you. You be local champion. You be local champion. Your song not they reach anywhere. Your song, you know they reach anywhere. You be local champion. If you there, they go play Uno gangster. Uno. Where Uno 2 for gang inside means son. So what you want to tell me? Master, it be code for America, eh? Relax yourself. Go. Do campaign or boy must go. Or boy they mess up Ghana music industry. You can't sing. Or boy you if I say I go talk your matter, or boy you if I say I go talk your matter, you come. We see you or boy. You or boy the time where you come. You're more big like Bandana Shatawale mob. The same mob where you or boy you get. You can't do that song. Nah boy. Now who free yet? Where they chew battles, you they crack battles and things, you they chew them. That time we see you or boy. Now you be Konkotiba where you grow 10 apple training. Your stomach like wheelbarrow. Your stomach big like wheelbarrow. You take with Ghana money, they buy Bitcoin, they do Sakawa give your wife for Maryland. You dey support Ghana music industry. The whole nation like Ghana. See Ghana. Ghana be the only African country where war. You see war. Never happened for Ghana before. Ghana be the only African country where war never happened for Ghana before. But you see, you come Ghana be too poor. Countries self where they have war self, they are well developed than Ghana. Countries where they do war, Sierra Leone, Kenya, Congo, then self. Then get places where children they go, they learn how to play instrumental and things. Or boy, your stomach like a pregnant woman. Somebody where they preg like 1 year. Pregnant woman where she they preg like 1 year. You come when him tan uba any or boy time uba here too kobna boy you they do that thing they wear that the priest the fetish priest them address you know yeah or boy tan be. We don't know say you said you go can't get stomach them then turn a little bit handsome. Ugly like Kokwedro, Afasedro, now you can't get you can't get Ghana people them money. You did there. Then I don't know what happens if them vote you as a president. Ghana, peaceful country like this. There's no school where you go here say kids they go learn how to play instrumental self. So oh my son won't be a musician. You go from class 1 to class 6, from class 6 to JSS to SS. If you finish SS where your grade no good, you get university. They say they go do dondology. You say they go do dondology. What be dondology? They say music. Oh boy. Uye fu cassette se fonton from. You know the fonton from. Atumpan, brum. Uye fu cassette se sa drum no. You go school from class 1 to class 6, class 6 to JSS to SS. You don't do music before. You finish SS, your grade all be bomb. You get F. University call you. You dey go do dondology. You do music where you dey JSS. I dey ask you. You dey SS, you do music, you don't do music. You dey JSS, you don't do music. You dey SS, you don't do music. You finish SS, your grade no good. You go university, say they go do dondology. You dey go do music. Who is the fool? Now tell me who is the fool? Your mother wastes money from JSS to SS to university. Now you say they go do dondology. You dey go learn how they play drum for university. Master, who is the fool? Who is the fool? They don't get place where kids go come up from school, come say, oh, I'm going my kid, let me take my kid to this place to go learn how to do, how to play instrument, how to play piano, how to play guitar. Then give you money. Or boy, if you Sakawa, they take they do. They shop they give your wife for Maryland. You your mouth up, you buy houses and things. Hey, the day when your time go reach, you go come out. If the musicians not take you go court, we the fans of musicians, we go can't carry you go court. You, that millions of money when they take give you, ways can't do that research. Or boy, I swear to, unless maybe I die for America. If I come Ghana, you come up for that chair top, you need to go court. Or boy, we go take you go court. We go file charges for your top. Make you can't show we. Make you can't show we how you do. What you take that money do? Be boom wa kunta. So if we want to make one kiddies grow, they make them come Ghana, make the Ghana develop, make say they do something better. Me like after say we dey study music and dance. You dey study music and dance for where? You dey just say you dey study music and dance. I dey ask you. You get anywhere where they study that music and dance where you dey go to just show you how the music and the dance where dance you dey study palogo or bobo. Forget about that. You know, university they go to do dondology, or you know, be Ghana I go school for. Or if you can say what young kid them born me for, I go school for Ghana. The time we they go school, you don't study any music for nowhere. Where they go to study music for? Show me. You they study music and dance for where? Where music and dance you they study? Shatawale in song, or Stone Boy in song, or Boy in song, or Samir in song. Who in song you they study? Or Sako there? Show me. Say they go school, they study music and dance. Why they study music and dance for? Where school they teach you that? Fucking liar say they study music and dance. Why they study? JSS, who go teach you music and dance? You there, say. Then get time self, your school self you they go. Then get drum. Common drum that they play. Common drum that they sell for our center. Your school get some. Your school where they go, you get common drum that they play for asset, boom, 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 boom. Your school get some. Your school, you get mic where they go play drum where you go can't sing. Who they can they teach you how to dance culture? You they finish school, they go art center. Art center be where people they go learn how they play drum and culture. Not for school. Not for school. Art center. That time you be, I don't know your age. That time you be little boy. Art center, that boy people they go to learn. All the white people that they come Ghana then things all. They go art center. That boy they teach how to act, playing drums then things. If you don't know, go art center for Accra. Go make them show you. Go art center for Accra. Your school no get drum. Your school, common drum self they no get. Who get time go can't teach you music for school? You know, be university they go to learn dondology. You there, you be small boy. They can't you can't they say they teach you for school. Where school? Show me school where they teach you how to do music. Show me for Ghana here. Where school? You be small boy. You be small boy. There's nowhere. Where you there, where you they talk say they teach you music for school. Where they teach you music for? Where school? When our leaders the time they rain way see another fool say if you can see I block yourself. You take your Nigeria people go chop your sister Jimmy. Take your Nigeria thing go chop your sister. Cause see ever dey Nigeria, I dey Jamaica. I know they like na be Ghanaian. We Ghana better. And namu. Cause see I say if I dey Nigeria, where be Nigeria? Who won't go Nigeria? Nigeria where they give them light 1 hour, they go give them light 23. You go compare them to Ghana. You go compare Nigeria to Ghana. You know, be Ghanaian people them be hypocrite. When our leaders them be how do they call them? Sell out. When our leaders them all hey, Ghana be corrupt. Nothing they go on. There's nowhere in Ghana say kids they go learn how to play music school. Come America here can see. Go Europe go see. Go Asia self go see. Go see. Go see. How they their way, they see, then get key. As soon as you start to go school, you go see say you did a 12 years old, 2 years old boy. At the age of 2 years to 3 years, he developing talent. The boy know what he want be in future. If it be music he want do, he know. If it be basketball he want play, he know. But go ask somebody who chop 20 years for Ghana, say what be in talent. He or she don't know. Go ask somebody who chop 20 years for Ghana, say what is your talent. The person don't even know. He just they go school, just they work. You ask and say what you want be in future. He can't even tell you. But he a small boy. He chop 2-3 years. What you want be? He go tell you I want be a policeman. I want be a firefighter. I want be a basketball. He started go school. Then go watch the kiddie. Then also know this kiddie get talent in this. Bah! Then put them for there. You go watch the kiddie and say this kiddie get talent for this. Bah! Then put them for there. But you there country way. You don't know your left and right. Even if you get talent self, you need to know somebody. If you know how to play ball, you need to give bribe. If you be musician, you need to pay for radio before radio go play your song. Where be your talent? You ask yourself, you don't know your talent. You jump 20 something. You don't even know if you are moving left or you are moving right or you are going forward or you are coming back. You don't even know. You don't even know. You did there, you did there, you go see some small boy from America or Europe or Asia go do something, they go put for Facebook, the thing go viral live. Then you go there, then you dey clap, you dey watch the video, you dey enjoy. You dey say, hey, this boy get talent too. Why? Because you don't know your talent. You don't know your use. Your leaders, they are correct. All you know be say, yeah, when it comes to drinking Codeine, Tramadol, make them go club. Make them go steal people on my phone. Mafia. Yeah, that be your talent. That one day you know how to do them. Go enter Lungu. How to break and enter. Store rushing. Yeah. That be your talent. I know they invite nobody. This one will be invite video. I know they invite nobody. That be what you know. But if they say your talent, you don't know. You there here, you go see small boy. He chop 3 years. He dey do wonderful things. Small boy. He chop 3 years. He mouth open. He dey talk like some old man. Your son there. He chop 5 years, 6 years. Now no see it. You don't know how to talk. They call you Baba. Only you understand what they talk. Only you understand. Yeah. 3 years old kiddie. He dey read book. He know math like crazy. He dey talk. He mouth open. Why? Because they know how, as soon as the kid is born, then they watch how the kid they do. They know, say, no, this boy get talent for here. Bah! Then put time for there. Bah! Then do him this. You there, you don't know. Your 5 years old kid self, you know if you talk. They do a talented kids show for Ghana. They do talented kids show for Ghana. The kids all get talent. After they finish the show, then lost. After the kids finish the talent show, then Oma Ira, nowhere to be found. You there, they put sense for your head inside. So if you fool, you go there. I already sent the message to Samini already. If Samini say they can't do campaign, give Ghana Airway, make you go do campaign. The first campaign go do, make you go do campaign, make them sack Obuo. Obuo need to go. If Obuo go, Ghana music go move forward. That be the message to Samini. I already tell him. So if I finish my video, go play my video. I give Samini the message already. So he hear him. If I finish my video, go. You there, Ghana there. Make I show you something. If message to Samini the Obuo, you know it's only Samini. Make I show you, so you there Ghana there. You there Ghana there. You there drink malt. Malt too, you know say be Ghana people them my own. But you don't know the value of your malt. You see Spanish people then do them at own mortar Guyana. You see the mortar Guyana no? It tastes like your own malt way they drink for Ghana. Pepe. But see the bottle, too small. Where it costs. So why? You know the value what you have. Drogba phone lost for the program under. Yeah, they go steal him. That's what the Ghanaians are good at. Moku go sack of boy. If they talk about radio, see, the time radio stations come, they promote Nigeria people long time. We want our own Nigerian brothers, we want our own Ghanaians, they go to bring the Nigeria people. Nigerians are our brothers, but then they promote you for them a country. Okay, they say they promise two Lapato money, they don't give them. See Ghana, corrupt. If you talk, the sensible ones go support, the ones where them fool, then they go fool one to them die. Pickpocketing, mafia life, you don't know your talent. Somebody know how they play ball, you know go see them. So me, I go tell you, Almighty Samini, if that tweet where you tweet, if you really say be you tweet, if they go do campaign, if they want make that tweet reach to the lawmakers, massa, I they beg you, go do campaign, make them sack Obuo must go. Obuo must go. If you want to say you want 70% of Ghanaian song for the Ghana Air Top, then you want 50-50 for any show where go do, you want make this thing reach to the lawmakers. If you get something, go sack Obuo. Obuo be the first person who need to get the fuck out of that chair top. Obuo be the first person. If Obuo leave this chair top, you go see where Ghana go. Ever since Obuo come top, it be passengers in Kwa they bring for America. He the Nana Kwame guy will do why then go collect some boy in money $3,000 then chop till today they don't pay that money. Obuo the Nana Kwame then go collect some boy money. I know the boy he dey Ghana right now, but you the Nana Kwame I hear say he dey UK. We just they set you trap. The day where we go grab you like this, you go still say yes. People there for time. You Nana Kwame, I hear say he dey UK. You chop that money. The day where we go grab you, when I go reach you, we go grab you. You go see say that money go vomit time or you no go vomit time. You go hear them. Things in Kwa Ipo there. The Ipo you dey hear the still the young boys them my money. Okay. More boys there, more talent than things there. What people they do? You know they help them, you know they do nothing.
Power on.
You understand me?
The device is connected.
Who do they talk? Who do they talk say you go do? Master, forget about these people. These people, they don't be nobody. You know, I be sugar. I do rather.
Fight for you, I be Umaga. Mercy for you, I be Schumacher. When I come for the body along the Prada, I go sing it for you, I go do.
Big guy Eddie. See, I tell you, if you want fight for Ghana, the first thing for do, come out Obuo. If you know come out Obuo for the chair top, any fight they fight give Ghana be baller. You understand me? Only thing where they fight, it be baller. If you want fight give Ghana, first thing you need to do, forget about radio station. Go come out Obuo for the chair top. If Obuo move, you go see where Ghana music go reach. Say it, yo. I go say it, yo. Say it. Say it, yo. Say it.
Say it, yo. Say it. Say it, yo. Say it. I'm gonna make you not do me the wrong thing.
Say it, yo. Say it.
Yeah.
But
Check for you, baby girl, no lie. Fling the Fendi glasses by your eye. Anything you want, girl, me money can buy, girl. That me know, yeah. Girl, you want me all up on your body all day. But you want me all you, man, you feel no say. Champagne after champagne, give you rose. Girl, wine for the ladder. The Fendi, Gucci, and the Prada. Girl, you want me better go fly, cut to Accra. My girl, wind up your waist, big back up. Say it to you, say it. Say it to you, say it. I'm gonna make.
Okay, I finish. Me I dey go. But this is the last message I want to give you. To you, the Ghanaian artist, where the underground boys where you people want do song. You there underground. You don't see the limelight yet. You there underground. You dey fight people where them then see the limelight. They go feel help you reach there. You there underground. You dey fight your own underground artist. Master, be careful. Where you there, I want to show you sense. So you just dey do music, but you know they study music. You know they go on social media top YouTube, then do inquiries. You see the Marco. You see the Marco. He be Jamaican artist, where be dancehall artist. But now look, oh, you see his song where he released plus Akon. The song they call the song Wahala. The Marco, biggest artist in Jamaica. Now they want to do what? Azonto. He want to do Wahala. He do song called Wahala, featuring Akon. If you don't hear that song, go hear him. Now, you know the rap for Jamaican people that are this, you know. He then sing for Pidgin Inside. Ambo Carter, see you. It be songs you need to learn. You see, the Marco, he do song called Wahala, featuring Akon. He dey do the song for Pidgin Inside. For Pidgin Inside where they do the song. Wahala, featuring Akon. You there. You forget. The old Jamaican guy, he was born in Jamaica. He go fit do, he do better than so pass you. Now go listen. He dey do song called what? Wahala, featuring Akon. Wahala. You live your own song. The Azonto, the hip life, where you make them see you people for the map top. You live, say you won't do dance so. Hey, you Ghana, you go day back rough. The Shatawale and the Stoneboy and things, they say they be dance so. They go feel, you see they do dance so. You say they do dance so. Go listen to the Marco in latest. You go listen to the Marco in latest, featuring Akon, called Wahala. He dey sing for Pidgin Inside. So I don't want to tell you something. A word to a wise. A word to a wise is enough. So if you did there, this be latest from DeMarco, featuring Akon. Listen to the beat. Have you heard the beat? You see, this be DeMarco featuring Akon. You hear the beat? DeMarco. You see, this be Jamaican artist, so DeMarco, song called Wahala. You see why they sing? They sing for Pidgin Inside. Why? So because now the African music they spoil the globe all. If Young Jeezy they promote the song, then Wizkid, where he left the song where he them Fajo, he them and the big artists do where they promote the song, he them Wizkid. Movono say African music is taking over. DeMarco is song that listen. Yeah. DeMarco, Jamaican artist. You dey hear? Yo, Selena de la Gaza, I see you, my sister. What's up? You hear? You go fit do dance up past the Marco, but even the Marco now, he go do song. You see the song? He dey sing for pidgin inside. You no get sense. You say you won't go see for Jamaica language. Me no gangster, me no block club, mana hero, mana hero. You go hung, sir, you go die. You go can't give you $1 take buy food. You did it. You go hung, sir, you go die. So that's what I go tell you. The Marco, no wahala. That be the title of the song. No wahala. Okay, so that's what I go tell you. Yo, Selena de la Gaza. What's up, my sister? You alright? So one love, yeah? Anywhere you dey. Kaboom. Subscribe to my new channel. You go hear am. Yeah? Yeah, there we go day. So when I lead us, educate yourself and stop fooling. I see you people. Thanks to everybody that support the movement. That support Daliti Nation. We big in charge. You heard it? Shout out next to I see you. Jimmy J Soga was cracking. I don't go play any patapabia. I get out. I'm out.